Hello Nella. Welcome back guys to another goddamn video. Whew. Almost went the steep side. I told you, Jareth, my chicken is coming for you, boyo. Welcome back guys, how's it going? It's another day. It's cold, but it's not as cold as what it was yesterday. That is an upside to today. What did you think of the mic quality yesterday? I thought it was better, 100% better than what I've had in a while. Placement is what I need at the minute. At some point what I'll do is I will try other positions. Like I might try the left side of the cheek pad, just to, like, not because there might be a chance that it sounds better, that, you know, this side of the helmet might let in more wind than this side of the helmet. I don't know, the seals might be alright. Oh, hello golden ball of fire. I really can't wait for my mirrored visor. Hopefully it works out a bit better than hopefully it works a bit more better than this one. Yeah, it's definitely CBS on this. These Kenda tires are alright so far. From what I can gather, I haven't really leaned on them much, and I'm nowhere near as a professional tire tester, but all in all, in terms of like feel and that, it seems like a pretty good fucking tire, like better than CST, 100% better. What do you think of the new angle? Basically I've improved it even more, so I've made it go further out. Can't see bloody anything. It was higher than it was before, but it just, I don't know what it was, it just wasn't high enough to the horizon, you know, well, to the plane of what you could see. She almost killed that fucking poor wood pigeon. There's a lot of progression to be done when I've come off shifts. The other half is going to be working, so I've got a bit of time to kill to get you guys a new introduction, get that sorted out the way with. So I haven't got because obviously I haven't got the Jits 125 anymore. I've got the Daelim, the Daelim, which is a good little bike. I gotta be fair, can't really complain. I'll definitely sell this when I get a bigger bike sorted, 100%. Definitely got some pick up and poke. Poke. Come on. I can't look at it. I need to clean my visor because when it fogs up all streaky and it impedes my vision. You know what to do, guys. Hit that fucking like button. Come around my place. Dirty fuckers! Eating a fucking dead animal or dead bird, whatever the fuck it was. Anyways, as I was saying before I was rudely interrupted, hit the like button, throw a comment down below, and subscribe. Love you guys. Peace out, man. Peace out.